Chapter 23 All's Well That Ends Well. Such is the conclusion of a history that I cannot expect everybody to believe. For some people will believe nothing unless they experience it themselves. After a few days of rest, we embarked on the steamer Volturno. In 3 days we were at Marseille. We had nothing on our minds but that compass, which had now been misplaced. A few days later, in the evening, we arrived at Hamburg. I cannot describe to you the astonishment of Martha or the joy of Gretchen. "Now you're a hero, Alex," Gretchen said. "You will not leave me again." I looked tenderly at her, and she smiled through her tears. How can I describe the extraordinary sensation produced by the return of Professor Liedenbrock? Thanks to Martha's tattling, the news that my uncle had gone to discover a way to the center of the earth had spread over the world. People refused to believe it. Yet the appearance of Hans tended to shake the confidence of the doubters. Hamburg gave a grand party in our honor. My uncle related all about our expedition, with only one omission, the unexplainable behavior of our compass. He donated the now famous document by Sagnussem to the archives of the city. So much honor and fame excited more than envy. Since my uncle's questions of the theory of Earth's central fire now rested upon observed fact, the current systems of science had to be re-evaluated. My uncle was saddened that our faithful Hans had decided to leave Hamburg. We wanted him to stay. He was the man to whom we owed all our success and our lives to. He would not let us reward him as we wished to do. He was homesick. To conclude, I have to add that the account of this journey into the center of the earth created a sensation around the world. It was translated into so many languages. Everyone discussed it. My uncle enjoyed the glory he had deservedly won. One day, while arranging a collection of minerals in his cabinet, I noticed the compass, which we had long lost sight of. I opened it and began to watch it. Suddenly, to my astonishment, I noticed a strange fact, and I uttered a cry of surprise. "What is the matter?" my uncle said. "See, its poles are reversed." My uncle looked excitedly at it. "See there," he cried, as soon as he was able to speak. "After our arrival at Cape Sagnussem, the north pole of the needle began to point south instead of north. During the electric storm on the Liedenbrock Sea, that ball of fire, which magnetized all the iron on board, reversed the poles of our magnet." "Aha!" started my uncle with a loud laugh. "So it was just an electric joke." From that day on, my uncle the most glorious of geniuses, and I was the happiest of men, for my pretty Gretchen took her position in the old house on the Königstrasse, and the double capacity of niece to my uncle and wife to a certain happy youth. From then on, the illustrious Professor Otto Liedenbrock, corresponding member of all the scientific, geographical, and mineralogical societies of all the civilized world, was her uncle and mine. And that concludes the journey to the center of the earth. I had a lot of fun reading this with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it too. See you next time!